Welcome everyone back to my channel. This is our second video in the series of making cocktails with Rojre. Today we will have David as our taste tester. Now, journey with us as we make 3 different cocktails today.
Okay, so first we'll add 1 3/4 of vodka, 3/4 of triple sec, 3/4 of cranberry juice, and 3/4 of lime juice. And now we'll pour our cocktail into an eyeball glass. Typically you'd use a cocktail martini glass for this drink. Add some crushed ice. And there we go, our Cosmopolitan.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about it?
The one that is sour taste.
Look, so got the lime juice, yeah. So what he using it is lime juice, cranberry, vodka, alright, Smirnoff vodka. So what flavors you getting from it?
Alright, so basically I get like a grapefruit flavor, like but it's alright. It's pretty nice. You can feel a little vodka in it, but it's light because of the sourness.
It's good. It's not too sour though. And cranberry kind of push it off though.
Yeah, it's not really that sour, so it's a good taste. To be honest with you, it's a nice taste.
So how
What
much
did you put in it?
cranberry, lime juice, and vodka. So how much you think you give it out of 10?
Basically, to be honest, I think I'm gonna give it like 7 or 10.
7? I'll be around that too.
Is it 7 too?
I'll be 7 out of 10 too, yeah.
Alright, so now the next cocktail we'll be going on to is a cocktail called W-O-O-W-O. That's a weird name. Let's go. So this one is pretty simple because everything is made in eyeball.
Add a bit of crushed ice, 1 3/4 ounces of vodka, 1 3/4 ounces of peach schnapps, 3.5 ounces of cranberry juice, and now we just mix with a bar spoon.
There we have it.
Alright, so this one is called the Woo. Alright?
Ooh.
The Woo.
Okay.
Alright, so this one is Peach Schnapps, right? Vodka and just cranberry juice. So it's pretty simple. So it's mainly cranberry juice for this one. So, alright, ready?
Alright.
What do you think about it?
Smooth.
Hmm?
Smooth. That's it for smooth.
Smooth for real. Not too sweet and not too bitter. Right, and I think because of the peach schnapps, it goes down very well. Right?
Yeah.
It's not harsh, it's not too
Just
sweet, not
gonna-
too sour. Not,
I
it's
think the
just-
vodka is a little bit creeper. What you think? You like it? Because the cranberry I put on more, but the vodka is a creeper, remember?
Yeah. This one I could go for 2-3 more. So, what do you think about this one? What would you rate it?
Alright, but I give this an 8, a nice little 8.
I'd say I'd give it an 8.5, between 8 and 9, because it's nice, but you know, I prefer it a little more sweeter, but you know, it's really good. I'm not gonna lie.
Why me say 8? Because these are alcoholic. So if you have a little bit more vodka in it, then we got a little 9.
So you prefer it a little stronger?
Yes.
Thank you everyone for coming out to another episode of Learning with Rojre, mixing cocktails. We thank David and Jordan for for coming along and being our taste testers. These are all the ingredients that we use for the 2 cocktails that we made together. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next week on the next episode. Thank you.